Hello. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been creating waves in the network marketing industry, the rise of ChatGPT and how it's affecting jobs. But don't worry, we're also going to discuss the importance of personal branding and attraction marketing, and how these concepts can help you stay ahead in this AI-driven world. So, let's get started. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that has been making headlines for its potential to automate various tasks, from content creation to customer support. Now, some people in the network marketing industry are concerned that this new technology could put them out of a job. But before you panic, let's talk about the two things that can help you thrive in this ever-changing landscape: personal branding and attraction marketing. Personal branding is all about creating an image of yourself that resonates with your audience. It's about showcasing your unique qualities, strengths, and personality. In network marketing, it's crucial to differentiate yourself from the competition. With AI like ChatGPT, it's true that some tasks can be automated. However, it's important to remember that no AI can replicate your personal experiences, insights, or genuine connections with others. That's where your personal brand comes in. Attraction marketing is the idea of attracting potential customers and team members by offering value, building relationships, and creating trust. It's about showcasing your knowledge and expertise, sharing your journey, and engaging with your audience. While ChatGPT might be able to help you with some of the content creation, it's still up to you to make those connections with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. AI technology like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful in certain areas, but it's also important to recognize its limitations. Using AI-generated content may make some tasks easier, but it can also lead to a loss of authenticity. Striking a balance between AI-assisted work and your own unique input is essential to maintain your personal brand and genuine connection with your audience. So there you have it. The rise of ChatGPT may be causing some concerns in the network marketing industry, but by focusing on personal branding and attraction marketing, you can ensure that you continue to thrive in this AI-driven world. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT and its impact on network marketing? How do you plan to maintain your personal brand and connections? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.